back, guys, to this review of Spend.net. And in this review, I'm going to show you how you can get a free debit card for all your online transactions, for all your shoppings online. And this card, Spend.net, will give you that virtual dollar card that you can use to make any kind of online purchases. Either you want to purchase on AliExpress, you want to purchase from eBay, you want to purchase from Debbie Photoshop. This card, Spend.net, you can use their virtual dollar card to do all of these transactions. And the cool thing is that this card is completely available for free. You are not paying to get this card. It's normally completely 100% free. So I'll be showing you how you can get this card. And the amazing thing, if you're one of those guys in Nigeria struggling to how to fund your Facebook card, how to get a good card to fund your Facebook card, your Google card, your TikTok card, you are in the right lesson, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can use that card to pay for your Facebook card, run your Google ad, run your TikTok ad. And in this video I will show you how to do that. So when you click on the link at the description of this video, it's going to bring you to this particular page, or you see the link at the comment section, just click on it. It will bring you to this particular page where you are going to sign up. And signing up an account on Spend.net is completely free. You are not paying to sign up an account. It's completely free. So, but before we sign up an account, I'm going to show you a little about this particular platform. Let me walk you through so that you can see what this platform offers. And you can see that this platform is so cool, so amazing for any kind of online transaction. The feasibility is completely cool, and you get card in assurance. And the amazing thing about that card is that it's acceptable worldwide. It's acceptable worldwide. You can use it from any market, any shopping platform, any online transaction. You can use it to get your product or shop anything online. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that in this particular place and in this particular list. And the cool thing is that for any kind of transaction, any kind of purchases you make online, you are getting 1% to 2% cashback. And I know that this is what most of all of us love. And I'm showing you how you can do all of that. And it's just a simple step by step on how to get this. So when you come to this particular page, just click on sign up an account, because you're going to sign up an account, and sign up an account is completely free. And you can see that you can use your Google account, or you can just put your email and your password, and you are good to go. But in this lesson, I'll be signing up with my Google account, as you can see. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account and show you how you can do all of these things step by step. And you love this. So I'm going to sign up an account using my email address. So I will choose my email address. You scroll down, then you click on continue. I'm going to continue so that I will sign up an account. I told you the sign up account here on Spend.net is completely free. You're not paying for it. So we're going to wait as you sign me up. So you see that my account has been signed up. My account has been signed up. Oh man, you see, the signing up is very, very simple. The signing up an account is very, very simple. You don't need to struggle on signing up an account. And as you can see on my screen right here, that this is my dashboard, and this is exactly how your dashboard is going to look like. This is how it's going to look like once your account has been created. You can see. And the cool thing is that you see that you get a cashback 1%, you get a cashback 2%. Now let me show you. When you are getting a cashback of 1%, you get a cashback of 1% for any kind of platform you purchase. Now let's take a look at the kind of platform that are going to use this card. When you use this card, you are going to get a cashback of 1%. So now let me show you. You see free issues, no setup or monthly fee. You get 1% cashback for all the kind of transaction you make. All the kind of transaction you make, you get a 1% of it. So to get this card, you need to form this card. Are you getting me? Just a normal stuff that we do. You want to get a card, you need to form the card. All you need to do, you select your country here. Let me check so that I can show you. You see, you're going to select your country right here. Let me show you. I'm going to select Nigeria. You see it. You see that we have Nigeria right here. So you select your country, your billing address, your first name, your last name, your date of birth. Then you click here to issue. Then you will get your card set up. And the card is completely free. You're not paying for it. But the thing is that you need to fund your card. It's just a normal stuff that we do. Before you can get a card, before you can use a card, you need to fund the card. Are you getting me? You need to fund the card. So that is just the normal thing you can do on Spend.net. So you need to fund your card, and you have access to the CVV, the card expiring date and the card number. It is just normal. And to get up those your CVV and the card number and expiring date, you need to fund your card. It is normal practice that we all do. So, and this card that you're going to use to get 1% cash back is for any transaction you made that you're going to get 1% cash back. If you're going to use the card to run a Facebook card, you're going to use it to run a Google ad, you're going to use it to run a TikTok ad, you're going to get 1% cash back for all of those transactions. And the second cashback you're going to get, if you are using it to purchase something online, you want to purchase on AliExpress, you want to purchase on eBay, you want to purchase on Amazon, this card, you get the 2% cashback. And the cool thing is that if there are some cases that you can get it, when you pay for $50, you get another cashback for every transaction you do when you top up your account with $50. And the cool thing is that they have a 3D security, meaning that you are secure. The platform is completely secure for you, and you'll be allowed to verify your account using your bank verification number to verify your account so that your account can be fully secure. You see how amazing this platform is, and I'm going to show you something that is going to blow your head right now. Just follow. And the thing is that one of the good things about this card is that this card has the ability to earn you for every spend you make. It has the ability to earn you cash back for every spend you make. No matter the kind of spend you make, no matter the kind of purchase you use Spend.net card to make, you are getting a cash back for all of it. And the card, and this card is accepted worldwide. It's accepted worldwide. And the card, immediately you make any purchase, you will have a cash back because it's automatically set up to earn you a cashback for any kind of expenses you make using a Spend.net card. Using their Spend.net card, you earn 2% cashback for any kind of transaction you make because it has been automated that very way. It's automated that very way. And the platform, this virtual card, offer you a card that you can use to shop anywhere in any kind of platform. And like I told you that this card, Spend.net card, that you get this virtual card, that they have 3D security, meaning that your card is secure. Are you getting me? Meaning that your card is 100% secure. You don't have to be scared. Maybe if someone is going to hack your card and get access to your card. No, your card is 100% secure. And the and the bank verification you are going to use include a specific bank verification number that you make your account to be 100% fully secure. Are you getting me? And this card can be operated. You can get access to this Spend.net card. You operate it on any kind of platform that you want to use to purchase something. And this card, you have access to the virtual to the Visa card. You also have access to the MasterCard, and you can use it in any kind of platform to make any kind of purchases you want to make. So I've showed you the simple step on how to register an account. Very simple. You can use your email to register an account. You can just follow the simple process, use your Gmail, and your account is fully registered. It's completely simple to register an account. And the cool thing about this platform that I showed you, I'm going to tell you that no limit on the number of cards. No limit on the number of cards. And card is 100% free. No limit of the number of cards that you can get Spend.net. Are you getting me? No limit of card. And you get zero transaction charges. Zero transaction charge. Oh my goodness, you will love this. You will love this. I'm telling you. Zero transaction charges. And for a decline, you get zero. There's nothing like decline. You are making a transaction, you are having a decline. Nothing like those kind of stuff. Nothing like those kind of stuff that I'm paying for something online. It decline. Nothing like those kind of stuff. So the card is very, very cool. That if you are one of those guys that love shopping online, this card is the best option for you. I am telling you the truth. This card is the best option for you. You will love it. You will love it. And the cool thing is that, you know, most of us will like free stuff. This card is completely free, my guy. It's completely free. You're not paying to get this card. Are you getting me? So this card is completely free. You get it 100% free. Just sign up an account and you are good to go. And you are good to go. And you are good to go to get this card. And the thing is that it does not have any limit for any kind of transaction you can do. Now, let me walk you through a bit and see how we can find an account. You see this place, we say add form. Let's click on it and see how you can add form to your card. Let's see how you can add forms to your card. We click on this place, which says add forms. Let's see how we can add forms to our card. Let's see how we can add forms to our card. Okay, you see, you come to card here. This is where we are before. This is our home page. This is how it's going to look like. You click on cards. You see it. Total card balance. I have not found this account, so you can see it. Let's look at the local card. Let's see the local card. You see the local card. Oh my goodness! You get a cashback 1% of any payment. Any payment you make, you get a cashback 2% of any advertisement payment. You see the amazing thing. Let's check this. Let's see this. You see the amazing stuff. You see the amazing stuff. You get 2% payment on any kind of advertisement you make. Like if you want to pay for your Facebook ad, you want to pay for your Google ad, you want to pay for your TikTok ad, you get 2% cashback for all of this. And the thing is that you can use spend.net a virtual dollar card to book for your hotel reservation. You want to pay for your hotel reservation, you use their card to get all of these things done. And the cool thing is that this card has the ability to earn you cash back of 1% or 2% cash back. You see, so to get this dollar card, all you just need to do, fill these particular forms here. You select your country, your billing address, your name, and you sign up an account. You submit it. You click continue right here, and you get access to your card. You get access to your card. It's just very simple process. Just fill the form, and your card, you get access to a virtual dollar card. And you can see that they have SUDT, and they also have BTC. They have US dollar, and any of this you can get their card from spend.net, and pretty simple, easy. Just create an account and you fund your card and you are good to go. You see that they have good cards, so you can just take advantage of this platform called spend.net and start using their card. And for any transaction you make, you are getting 1% cash back for any online payment and 2% cash back for any advertisement you make online. And I know that this is what most of us love. We love to shop and get a refund in return. And you get that done on spend.net. I know you will love this. So just go ahead and sign up an account and verify your account, and you are good to go. You are good to go. So go ahead and exploit this particular opportunity. Use your card to better and purchase any kind of thing you want to purchase, and you move your business forward. So guys, if you have any question for me, don't forget to leave a comment for me at the comment section of this video, and I will give you a reply. And if you have not signed up an account, click on the link at the description of this video or the link at the comment section of this video to sign up an account. Like I told you, a sign up an account is completely free, and you have seen that in this lesson I've been able to sign up my account. So all you need to do, click on the link, sign up an account, fund your account, and begin to explore the card. So guys, don't forget to share this video. If you get value from this video, share so that your friend who want to know how to get the best card to secure something online can go ahead to sign up an account and use this card to purchase any stuff online. So share this video if you get value from it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that, so that you can get content like this on front when I'll be making other videos like this. So guys, I will see you next time, and stay safe.